Mastering Mic Stand Adjustment. A guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for all aspiring musicians, podcasters, and audio professionals: mic stand adjustment. Understanding how to properly adjust a microphone stand is crucial for ensuring the best sound quality and comfort during use. We're here to break it down for you, step by step, so let's get started. Before we dive into the actual adjustments, it's important to understand what a mic stand is and its components. A mic stand is a freestanding mount used to hold a microphone in place, allowing you to perform hands-free. It consists of three main parts: the base, which provides stability; the shaft, which is the vertical pole that can be adjusted in height; and the boom arm, if applicable, an extendable arm that allows for horizontal placement adjustments. Adjusting the height of your mic stand is the first and most straightforward step. To do this, you'll usually find a grip or twist lock located on the shaft. Here's how you can adjust it. 1. Loosen the grip or twist lock. 2. Raise or lower the shaft to your desired height. The ideal height is where the microphone aligns with your mouth to capture your voice clearly. 3. Tighten the grip or twist lock to secure the shaft in place. If your mic stand has a boom arm, you'll want to adjust this for optimal microphone placement, especially if you're playing an instrument simultaneously or if the stand needs to reach over a table. Here's what to do. 1. Loosen the adjustment knob at the base of the boom arm. 2. Extend or retract the boom arm to position the microphone correctly. 3. Adjust the angle of the microphone by loosening the end knob on the boom arm, positioning it as needed, and then tightening it back. 4. Secure the boom arm by tightening the adjustment knob. A crucial aspect of mic stand adjustment is ensuring that it remains stable and doesn't tip over. Always spread the legs of the base as wide as possible if you're using a tripod stand. For heavier microphones or when the boom arm is extended, consider using a counterweight or ensuring the heavier part is over one of the legs to maintain balance. Congratulations! You now know the basics of mic stand adjustment. Remember, the key is to ensure the microphone is positioned in a way that captures your voice or instrument clearly while providing you with comfort during use. Experiment with different positions to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Happy recording!